Hi, welcome to the LTC Community, an online hub for networking and collaborating with your Illinois K-12 peers. Let's get started by visiting community.ltcillinois.org. After you have logged in, one of the first things you can do when you arrive at our homepage is to tell us a little more about yourself. Click on the Profile silhouette and then click the Profile button to edit your online profile. Click the pencil icons or the Add buttons to add as much or as little information as you'd like. On the left side of the page, you can upload a photo of yourself to help others get to know you. Simply click the Actions button under the silhouette to upload a picture, and of course, feel free to add any links to your other social media profiles to help build your professional and personal networks. Just click the Actions button next to the word Social Links to connect. While we're on the profile page, take a moment to explore the tabs below your name. The My Connections tab will allow you to create and build relationships with others in our online community. Click Contacts, then just click the Request Contact button to initiate connections. Click the down arrow on the tab once again to explore some of the various networks and community topics of your interest. Click the Explore All Communities and join the community or communities that interest you the most. Let's click our browser's back button to see our tabs again. Under the My Contributions tab is a graphic summary of your contributions, your engagement, and your achievements. Notice that you can earn points for your engagement with your communities. Next, the Achievements tab will show you a list of earned and available badges to show your expertise and contribution level. Last, you'll see a list of contributions which shows your participation in discussions so far. Under the My Account tab, you can adjust your privacy settings and your notification preferences. You can also set up a discussion signature, which is a bit like an email signature, but for your community and discussion posts. Notice that the discussion signature pulls information from your My Profile tab, so please take the time to complete that tab when you can. To edit your discussion signature, just decide where you want an item to appear and click in the white box. Then click an element from the list on the right to include it. Remember to click the Save button when you're done. The last tab is your inbox. This will list any contact requests, invitations, and other communications from the community. Let's go back to the home page and look around a bit. Back at the home page, you'll find three main areas: Explore, Connect, and Engage. Explore will take you back to the Communities area. Connect will allow you to browse our member directory to find like-minded people across the state. Engage will allow you to look through recent discussion posts, search through posts, and post your own messages. Below those areas on the home page, you'll find a blog-style list of recent posts, along with links that will allow you to access information and find answers to your questions quickly. At the bottom of the home screen, you'll find a leaderboard of our most active members, along with news and updates from our blog and a list of upcoming LTC events. Thanks for being part of the LTC community. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our LTC Community Managers at community@ltcillinois.org.